Let's talk about the latest launched HMD smartphone Pulse Pro with sleek lines and modern design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.56 inches HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 86.8% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, 600 nits brightness, approximately 265 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 50 megapixel front camera, video recording, maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB of RAM, with 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 256 GB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.19 by 75.02 by 8.55 mm, and it weighs around 196 grams, and the color options: Twilight Purple, Black Ocean, Glacier Green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 20-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes Nano SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, IP52 dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The HMD Pulse Pro has been priced for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at €180. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this HMD Pulse Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.